Assalamu alaikum, Mingla Washin. Today's recipe is how to make perfect chicken haleem. For the chicken haleem, we need broken wheat, yellow split beans, black beans, barley, yellow lentils, basmati rice, and add water. All the dal, wash it well and at least soak 5 hours. For better result of chicken haleem, we need to marinate the chicken. We need yogurt, salt, yellow powder, paprika powder, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, lemon juice. We will mix all well and we will marinate for 1 hour. For the meantime, we will boil the beans. First of all, we will add all the soaked beans into the pot and we will add lots of water. Water, we need estimate 1 liter of water and we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and we will boil it until completely soft. For the dry spices, we will use black pepper, cumin seed, cloves, cinnamon stick and cardamom seed. Now we need 1 pot where you want to cook the chicken. First of all, we will place the pot and we will add 5 tablespoons of ghee. You can use also normal cooking oil. And once the ghee is heated, you will add all spices. You will saute for 15 seconds. And now you will add 3 big slices of onion. You will saute and until the half cook is done. Once the onion half cook is done, now you will add the marinated chicken. And also we will add 3 pieces of green chili. Don't worry, this is not spicy. And also we add coriander and mint leaves and we add small amount of water and just mix it well, and we have to cook until the water is dry from the chicken. For that, just cover it and cook with the slow heat. Now let's check the chicken. Water is dry already, so now we can add the water. Water we will add until the chicken is covered. So we'll add the water and again we will cover it and we will cook until the chicken is completely soft and tender. Now let's check the soaked beans. Now the beans water is already dry and now it's time to mash. So for me, I just use the spoon and I mash it well. For you, you can use the mixer or with whatever tools available at home. Now let's check the chicken. Chicken is very soft and tender. So I just turn off the heat and then I will take out some of the ghee from the top of the chicken. I just keep it the side and later on I will use it from the top of the haleem when I make the plating. So now I will just separate the cooked chicken into the plate. I will just remove it and I will keep it in the plate and I will shred the chicken. So I just take out all the chicken and then once the chicken all are separated and I will just remove the dry spices which I used earlier when I cooked the chicken. After I separate the chicken from the pot, now I will remove some of the dry spices like cinnamon stick, black pepper and cardamom seed. I can remove it all, but some only I remove it from the pot. And then now I will shred the chicken. For the shredded chicken, you can make it, you can use the knife or you can use like fork like me. And now all the shredded chicken is ready to use in the haleem. So now this is the time to add all the cooked ingredients. So into the chicken gravy pot, we will add the boiled beans and we will mix it all together and we will cook it well. Once all the cooked ingredients are combined well, just mix it well and mash it properly and cook in the slow heat. And now this is the time to taste the salt. If you think that the salt is less, you can add it this time, and you can sprinkle some gram masala according to your taste and mash it well. So now this is the perfect halim. So now I will just start prepare for my plating. For the plating, I will just add some ghee. For the ghee which I separate earlier, so now I will use from the top, and now I will garnish some coriander and mint leaves, and also some slice of ginger, and of course we need also one slice of lemon for the perfect halim. So now you can pair with naan or roti or rice. So please try it at home, and don't forget to comment, like and share. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.